Greetings. Social selling is simply a method of finding and engaging the right sales prospects for your solutions. This is critical for proactive selling so that you do not have to rely on marketing leads or customer orders. There is an old saying in sales that states that it's not what you know, but who you know. And there is a contemporary saying that asserts that your network is your net worth, and it has never been easier to build your network. We cover the 4 fundamental best practices of social selling in our social selling workshop. The first best practice is to ensure that your profile creates your desired personal brand. Next, your connections are a critical component of your personal brand, so you need to choose them wisely. We are who we know. How you engage with your network is another critical element of your personal brand, and how you endear yourself to your connections. And because the sheer size of the LinkedIn database can render it effectively useless, groups can be used to create smaller focused collections of like-minded professionals. And if you're wondering what value do connections have? For the simple reason to find the right people from your prospective buying community to engage so you can feed your sales pipeline.